Switch troubleshooting tools and materials needed. When troubleshooting an ignition switch, having the right tools and materials is crucial. Using the correct items ensures a smooth repair process and avoids further damage. Below are the essential tools and recommended materials you need for successful ignition switch troubleshooting. Essential tools: multimeter, measures electrical voltage, current, and resistance. Screwdrivers, both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers to remove panels. Socket set, helps remove bolts and nuts of various sizes. Wire strippers, for stripping insulation from wires. Test light, checks for the presence of electrical current. Needle nose pliers, useful for gripping and manipulating wires. Recommended materials: electrical tape, insulates and protects electrical connections. Replacement ignition switch, in case the current one is faulty. Wire connectors, for connecting wires securely. Lubricant spray, eases stiff or rusty parts. Owner's manual, provides specific instructions for your vehicle model. Tool purpose. Multimeter, measure electrical values. Screwdrivers, remove and install panels. Socket set, remove bolts and nuts. Wire strippers, strip insulation from wires. Check electrical current. Needle nose pliers, grip and manipulate wires. This guide ensures you have everything needed for a smooth and effective ignition switch troubleshooting process.
Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching video.